Should I get a fixed rate or variable rate? My current thoughts based on today. Yes, historically over the long term, variable rates have outperformed fixed rates. However, the last few years have not made that to be the case. Most people are expecting rate cuts this year, possibly June, July timeframe. The U.S. Federal Reserve is predicting 75 basis point rate cuts in both 2024 and 2025. Since we are so tightly tied to them, this should give Canada the same, if not more, latitude on rate cuts, with many people expecting it to be more aggressive, say at around 175 to 200 basis points. Desjardins is even predicting rate cuts to be cut in half by the end of 2025, which would mean a 2.5% rate. Standard variable rate in today for a 5-year term is around 6.2%. 2 years from now in 2025, assuming the 200 basis point cut, your variable rate would be around 4.2. Now today you can get a fixed rate mortgage on a 3-year term in the low fives, say 5.1.4%. And after those 3 years, you can renew at a much lower rate environment. The decision really boils down to the rate gap between the two that you're getting and when you think rates will start moving and the time that is required for the variable rate to dip below your locked-in rate and thus be in your benefit. For many people, the locked-in fixed rate is the way to go. If you don't have the stomach to let it ride out, I would suggest the 3-year lock-in versus the 5-year lock-in if you really do feel rates are going to drop around the 200 basis points or more. Reach out if you would like some help with these calculations. I have Excel spreadsheets and things that will help you punch in your rates and see how that'll be affected. However, do keep in mind that variable rates still do hold benefits, such as having only a 3-year month interest rate penalty in case you decide to break it, refinance it, or switch it to another bank. Whereas fixed rate penalties are much more aggressive based on the interest rate differential. If we're talking about an investment property, I may even lean towards the variable rate side, but that really depends on the property and the cash flow versus equity advantages. Again, I'm really interested to hear what you have to say. Please comment below. I'd love to hear what other people are thinking.